Hey guys! Oh my god, it's already low battery. Never mind, we have to change the battery. Okay, hey guys, we changed the battery. Today, I'm going to do Patty's makeup. Yep. So, I'm gonna do her makeup in a way yang dia biasanya nggak bakal lakuin. Jadi aku bakal lakuin versi makeup aku ke muka dia. So, langsung aja ya. Sekarang pertama kita pakai primer dulu. Primer go-to-nya Patty NYX Photo Loving Primer. Adalah itu. Aku lagi makan Mentos. Terus aja yang pakai pet, karena menurut aku aneh aja kalau kayak aku harus giniin mukanya. Next kita bakal spot conceal dulu sebelum kita put on foundation. Ini Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer dari Catrice Cosmetics.
Kita tuh kayak kompak banget gitu ya.
Nah, tuh in the shade 10 Porcelain. So, Patty punya jerawat sini, itu di sini. Jadi kenapa aku nge-spot conceal dulu, itu biar kita lebih meminimalisir pemakaian foundation, jadi lebih kelihatan kayak skin. Oke, udah di-apply. Sekarang kita bakal pakai sponge yang kecil ini.
Iya, yang kotor banget itu.
Padahal badannya gede, terus pakai sponge yang kecil. Aku badannya kecil, pakai sponge yang gede.
I know.
Terus sekarang langsung aja.
You know, usually I spray
I'm just gonna use my hands.
Yeah.
Because your beauty thingy sponge is like crusty AF, dry AF. Does that hurt?
That's why I say to you, biasanya tuh semprot pakai ini. Can I sleep?
Enak kan?
Boleh nyindiran gak sih? Oke, mantap. Iya.
Enggak merah, apa hidungnya nggak merah ya, jadi
red nose.
Jadi the red nose. Bring you. Ini baru kayak 5 menit terus tangan aku udah sakit dong, kayak udah sakit gini. Oke, udah. Sekarang kita bakal langsung aja pakai foundation barunya pakai foundation baru. Ini dicampur ke Perfect ini yang aku juga pakai. Nih, dicampur sama ini L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour apa ini? Stay Fresh Foundation.
Shade-nya yang ini nomor N10, yang itu nomor 015 ya.
115 nude beige. Ini satu. Oke.
Dibantu kocokin lagi.
Udah segitu aja diambil ya, seiprit aja. Terus sekarang kita mix aja foundation kedua-duanya. And then now I'm just going to spread and distribute the foundation all over her face, like so.
Beauty Guru by Jessica Bennett.
Why do you have hair everywhere?
Don't blame me, blame my hair.
Well, the hair is part of you. Okay, now just ditampar-tampar.
Dia sampai jongkok loh, Beb.
Tutorial totalitas. Jadi ini Patty udah curang duluan, terus dia pakai alis sendiri.
Enggak. Gila, my alis emang kayak gini.
Terus jangan lupa kalian harus ngeblend ini ya sampai ke leher. Kalau enggak itu kayak bakal ada garis aneh gitu intinya. Jadi harus kayak antara leher sama muka tuh harus kayak nikah gitu. Sekarang kita ambil aja this tiny ass, crusty ass beauty sponge and just spray it. Next, kita akan taruh concealer di bawah mata pakai concealer yang sama. Chaparty E2.
Chaparty.
Then just blend ya.
Oh my god, totally my face jadi percobaan. Oke.
Kok percobaan? This is what I do, like not every day sih, but this is what I do to my face. This is annoying.
Yeah, can you just pelan-pelan?
You You told me to be quick.
Yeah, you have to be quick because I have to go.
Yeah, but then you told me to pelan-pelan when I'm trying to be quick. So what do you want, woman? We need to get in the crevices, which is this part.
Halus banget gitu digituin.
Alright, now that we have a base, this is the Catrice Cosmetics Professional Makeup Techniques Base Palette in volume 10. I don't know, it looks like this. This is what it looks like on the inside, and we're gonna be using this color, and I'm gonna dab it a little into this color. So just with your hands, kind of warm up the skin. I feel like a legit mua. Why are you smiling? Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
If this makeup turns great, what will you do?
I'm happy, but if this makeup turned into a disaster, I will remove it and like do my makeup real quick.
Alright guys, now that we have the contour down, we're going to set it with some translucent powder from NYX. Ini. Focus. Okay, HD finishing powder. I'm gonna be using another NYX brush. That's what it looks like. And just going to swirl the brush on her face to just marry and blend everything together.
You made me want to sneeze.
That's not me, that's the brush. Okay, now that that is blended, we are going to
Make my eyebrows.
oh yeah, make your brows. Ka-brow. Brow something. Ka-brow, yeah, ka-brow.
Dari Bennett.
From Bennett. Ta-da! In the shade 3. Okay, this.
This is the scariest part ever. You must have so wrong. Oh god.
Minta may mata juga si Binder, makanya nggak bisa bikin straight line.
You're not messing with me, right?
I don't know. Ask my mom.
Oh, it's not real that bad. Oh thank god!
Come on, don't underestimate me. So now we're just gonna take a spoolie to just brush her brows and fill in. Just, I don't know, just take a spoolie. So now the brows are done, and I'm gonna go in with some brow gel from Maybelline. So we're just gonna set her brows in place. Now we're gonna go in with these two colors. Alright, now that that's done, we're gonna go in with some blush. Again with the same color. Now we're gonna take the powder brush again and just mix everything together. Done! And now, can you put some mascara on, please?
Yeah.
Curl your lashes and yes, put some mascara. Now, look up.
Bi bisa pakai sendiri nggak? Kalau itu tuh masalahnya, jadi kayak pakai eyeliner putih dari Sephora. Kalau ini masalahnya sensitif banget. Ini suka berair my mata soalnya. Dia so cantik di depan kamera.
Wait, I'm using a highlighter. I'm going to be highlighting her face. This is Sleek Makeup Salty's palette. Yeah, this is the shade I'm gonna be using. Alright, that's the highlighter on. Ta-da. And I'm gonna be using this Bobbi Brown
I feel like I don't wear makeup.
Okay, this in the shade Electric Pink. Now we're gonna go in with some NYX Butter Gloss. There, in the shade Creme Brulee.
You literally paint my teeth.
Sorry. Just And now for the grand finale, let's put some setting spray from NYX Matte Finish. Yeah, that. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And now we need something. Wait.
Can I tambahin dikit the contour?
Yeah, tambahin. I just took a book and I'm just fanning her face because we just applied some setting spray. And she's just fixing her contour. So this is the finished look.
It looks good though.
Thank you. It's very me, something that you would never do.
Yeah.
Patty actually did my makeup, so go ahead to her channel. Coba ke.
Jadi aku juga ngelakuin makeupnya Jessica. So if you want to know how do Jessica look,
how she did my look, which is like the bold and petty look, then you can go over to her channel. Bisa langsung lihat down below in the description box. And you will link the video. Yes, I will link it down in the description box. So, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you guys.
We have to go now. I have to go practice. She has to go to a meeting because
then after
we're busy women. And so yeah, thank you so much.
Wait, look. Okay, never mind.
Thank you so much. We love you guys and see you in my next video, whatever. Bye.
Bye.